Yo, what's up, traders? Today, I walk you through how to deposit on Pocket Auction step by step, fast, simple, and hassle-free. Whatever you're using, bank cards, e-wallets, or Picto, I will cover everything. Let's go. Step 1. Let's prove that you are not a robot. You should have completed KYC, uploaded all the required documents, and successfully registered your account. If you done all that, your Pocket Option dashboard should look just like mine. Now, moving on to step 2. Let's make a deposit. There are a few ways to do this. For example, you can use the top-up section where you select your preferred deposit rate. You can also access a deposit auction by clicking on your profile icon where your avatar is. Personally, I do straight to the final section on the left and select deposit. Here, you will see a wide variety of deposit methods, crypto across multiple networks, e-wallets, and more. You can see a lot of options here. I'm keeping it in classic and depositing with my bank card today. You will notice that the minimum deposit amount is $20 for cards, while for crypto it starts at $30. You can also enter a promo code, but keep it in mind, it works only if you deposit at least $50. There is also an interesting bonus if you deposit $500 or more. You can claim a gift, but you can learn about this later or when you're ready. Wow, it's super simple. Just select your pen and method and confirm it. My card details are already sent because I already deposited before. But for first-time users, you will need to enter and save your details manually. Of course, I'll build my card in focus because, let's be honest, a lot of money moves through these accounts. Once I hit deposit, I redirect to my bank's payment page. Push notification pops up in my mobile banking app asking me to confirm the payment. Yes, no problem. I do confirm because I trust this company and not. I confirm the transaction goes through. Now, how do we check if the deposit was successful? Just go back to finance. You see this section and look at your transaction history, this section history, and there it is, $20 credited and under a minute. Really fast. We can now jump straight into trading, but let me just guess what's next, guys. Wondering how to trade? Yes, of course you're wondering. And got it covered. I'll be sharing more trading tips, strategies, and insights into my YouTube channel. What you want to know. Don't forget to subscribe and put your likes. So make sure that you also subscribe my Telegram channel because over there we have a real trading every day, and we have a signals, and you can talk with these people like you and me at the same time. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope your deposits going well and you will trade and make good profit. See you next time. See you in the next video.